Hey guys, if you run an e-commerce store, we know that there's nothing more important than being able to track your profitability. You can easily do that by tracking the cost price or margins of products sold. I'm going to show you how to set that up. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left-hand side, just go ahead and select payments. Once you've selected payments, we're going to go ahead and select products. Now, it's important to note that you do have to have a product created in order to track this information. So I'm going to go into this product here, and I'm going to select the three dots to the right, and I'm going to edit that product. If this is a product where I want to track the cost of the product versus what I'm making, then I'm going to scroll down to prices, and I'll select the three dots here, and I'm going to edit. Then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and right under pricing, you're going to see this checkbox to add your margin. Go ahead and select that. Here's where you can either enter your cost price or your margin amount. I'm going to go ahead and enter my cost price. Now you can see my margin amount. It automatically filled that in, and then save. This will allow me to track my margin on the sales of this product. I do want to show you how to set this up if you have a product with variants. So let's go ahead to this product here for the blue button down shirt where we have 4 variants. I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 dots, and I'm going to edit that. Once you've done that, I'm just going to have you scroll down, and you're going to see the individual variants. So you're going to have to do these individually because we know that the cost of each one could vary. So we'll go ahead and select edit. Once you've selected edit, you're going to go ahead and select the add your margin. I'm going to go ahead and put in my cost price, and you can see the margin amount automatically populated. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to repeat this for the various options. Now select medium, and then I'm going to add a margin for the medium size. I'm going to go ahead and add my cost price there, and I'm going to save it. And I'm just going to repeat this for the large as well. And you can see that I have a different cost price with a different margin, and save it. And then I'll just repeat that for the extra large, and we can see the margin amount, and then I'll save. So now we'll be able to track our product costs or margins for products that we're selling that actually have variants. So you don't have to worry about manually tracking your profitability or using basic spreadsheets to calculate your margins. Go ahead and enable margins for your products today. For more information on this tutorial, check out the help doc below. And if you like this training, check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.